Hey everyone, welcome back to our coding tutorial. Today, we're going to create a simple URL shortener using HTML and JavaScript in just 1 minute. Let's dive in. Here we have a basic HTML structure with an input field to enter a URL, a button to trigger the URL shortening process, and a div to display the shortened URL. In the script section, we have a function called Shorten URL that grabs the input, checks if it's not empty, then sends a request to the TinyURL API to get a shortened version of the URL. Now, let's see it in action. I'll enter a URL, click Shorten URL, and there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified.